to Old Dog New Trails. It's just about a year ago that I posted a video about backpacking in the pasture. And so I thought, hey, let's do that again. That was fun. Well, this time I'm not gonna camp on the pasture. I'm gonna go to the woods beyond. And this time, unlike the last time, they've got thunderstorms forecast. Fun. So yeah, just heading up the trail that takes me out into the pasture and beyond the pasture to the woods, and I'll see you there. You may recall I had left a tarp hanging in the woods, and truth is I never ended up camping there, and it's been weeks since I put it up. I just got back to it, and Zoe didn't even want to go back there. It was so overgrown, so I left her here with my bag while I went and retrieved the tarp, and I'm in what I think is a much better spot to camp because this spot has a view. So I'm looking around to see if there's a convenient place to string up the tarp and put the tent under it. If it's a good place to have double security from the rain. Look around and see what I can find, and I'll show you what I come up with. Well, I've rigged this tarp up over a relatively flat spot. I don't know if Zoe approves or not. She's just been watching patiently. I've got it tied off to a tree way over there. And there's the view. Now I've got the tarp set up underneath. That's where I'm going to set up the tent. What do you think, Zoe? Are we crazy? Okay, so I had a little bit of difficulty getting that staked in because I'm on rocks, but it's basically up. I've got to put the rain fly on. Even though I'm under this tarp, I want the rain fly on because we got thunderstorms coming. All right, well, here we are. Got the tent with the rain fly. It was a little difficult to get it staked in because I'm on a rock. I actually used some rocks. And I'm about to heat some water and get ready to make my dinner. So this says I need to put 1 2/3 cups of water boiling, and well, I didn't bring a measure, so I guess that's about what we need. So yeah, the bugs are getting pretty bad out here as we're getting closer to sundown. I was hoping to catch a nice sunset, but it's cloudy. I don't think we will, but if I see any colors, I'll be sure to show you that. Zoe seems bored out of her mind, but hey, we're camping. Well, that's pretty strange looking before you put the water in, which I am about to do because we've got to boil. Okay, I've stirred in the water, and now the 5-minute wait, then I stir it again and wait another 4 minutes, and then I can eat. So I probably used too much water, a little watery. It's not bad though. Not bad at all. Tastes good. All right, so here we are in the tent. Got my bedroll out and my inflatable mattress here. Zoe is chilling, and shout out to Steve from Camping with Steve. I got my step 2, and I'm gonna need my Swiss Army knife to open it, but it's a good thing I brought it. Always have the right tool for the job. Unfortunately, I don't have a tripod, so I can't, and I think it's illegal to show me opening this or something. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. There we go. Success. What do you think, Zoe? She's bored with the whole affair. Well, it's not icy cold like when I left the house, but it's okay. Tastes good. This just happens to be what the last person who brought beer to my house brought, so that's why I'm drinking this today. It's not a brand plug or a personal favorite. It just happens to be what was in the fridge. Good morning. We slept pretty well. There was a pretty torrential rainstorm going on last night. And the wind was whipping up. I heard some branches fall, and heard the tarp whipping around in the wind. But other than that, it was a good night, and I'm about to make some coffee. All right, coffee is ready. All right, well, this little campsite is about to get taken down, and just a little bit of drizzle. It's already very buggy, so I'm going to get to it. So that was my little overnight backpacking trip. I guess it's annual now, since I did it just about a year ago. And now I've done it again about the same time of year. So hey, if you made it this far, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Who knows where I'll be next week.